Cholinergic drugs, also known as parasympathomimetics, are broadly classified into direct-acting receptor agonists and indirect-acting anticholinesterases. Direct-acting agents stimulate cholinergic receptors directly and are further divided into cholineesters and natural alkaloids. These can be remembered with the mnemonic, all cars begin moving, so you can please meet Auntie. Here, all cars begin moving represents the cholineesters, A for acetylcholine, CAR for carbachol, B for bithancol, and M for methacholine. As acetylcholine is the major neurotransmitter of the parasympathetic nervous system, most cholineesters contain the suffix -canal. The natural alkaloids are recalled by the mnemonic please meet Auntie, which includes pilocarpine, muscarine, and arecoline. Indirect-acting cholinergic drugs act by inhibiting acetylcholinesterase, thereby increasing acetylcholine levels at synapses. These are subdivided into reversible and irreversible inhibitors. The reversible agents can be remembered with the mnemonic pen plus dr. Think of writing with a pen by a doctor. This group includes physostigmine, edrophonium, neostigmine, pyridostigmine, distigmine, and CNS-selective drugs like rivastigmine, donepezil, and galantamine used in Alzheimer's disease. The irreversible agents are mainly organophosphates, which are widely used as insecticides. Thus, they can be recalled with the mnemonic, nasty insects eat man's plants, wherein stands for nerve gases such as sarin, tabin, and soman, I for isofluorophate, E for ecothiopate, M for malathion, and P for parathion. Thus, this classification with simple mnemonics and visual associations helps in the quick recall of cholinergic drugs, which are important both therapeutically and in toxicology.